Welcome to Carey, established 1858. Oh, and you get to come down Main Street. Wow. We were not imagining that in 1858. In this video, you'll see that there is a big berm and something hidden behind the berm. But guess what? Our curiosity and sleuthing skills cannot be stopped. So come with us and see what it is that they've got here near Carey, Ohio, and enjoy the video. Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. Look at this here. German style. Timber, what do they call it in English? Half timber.
Exposed timbers.
Yeah, they don't call it exposed timbers though. I looked it up one time. Fachwerk in German. Half timber. Stay alive, don't text and drive. Oh, how pretty. Look at these juicy lawns. Oh, look at this guy here. Oh. Maybe from 1858? What? No, a little later. Here's another Riddies or Righties. Brothers Patio Bar and Grill. And whoop, we're back out in the fields. Nice dark soil, yeah. Very, very dark. And a big hole in the ground over there. Some kind of a mine. You can't see it now. Behind this berm. Cemetery. Artillery. So once I had figured out where that rattle came from, I also wanted to figure out what was hidden behind those berms. So I went on my phone, got the satellite picture, looked like beautiful Caribbean colored water in those pools, but what is it? There was no name attached to it, so I had to dig a little deeper, just like they're digging here, but I found out what's going on. And look at the size of this mining operation, because that's what it is. The National Limestone Company quarry in Carey, Ohio mines dolomite and limestone. This operation produces industrial aggregate materials with the Silurian dolomite in the region known for producing mineral crystals like calcite, celestine, fluorite, sphalerite, and gypsum, if I'm pronouncing them correctly. Key details about mining in Carey, Ohio. Primary material. The site is a significant source of industrial limestone and dolomite, which are primary leading commodities in Ohio. I didn't know that, did you? Mineral specimens. The dolostone and limestone cavities in northwestern Ohio contain crystals like calcite and strontianite, and feel free to correct my pronunciation. Here is a mountain just popping up out of nowhere. Like a garbage mountain to you? Yeah, it's got vents, venting pipes. Not an ancient burial mound. Oh, look at this blue water. Holy moly. I think somebody's putting coloring in there, in their water. Just ignore the big mountain of garbage behind us. We're gonna pretend we're in the Caribbean. Oh, they're making a second mountain. There's a separate mountain.
That's the next one over there.
Huh.
That was probably an experiment.
What do you think?
It's all green. Piles of dirt at the quarry back there?
Yes?
They dump a load of garbage, they're going to cover it with dirt, right?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe they're going to get the dirt from back there. Did you want to talk about what we found out?
About what?
About the quarry? Since you just mentioned it.
Now, you Googled it, it's a limestone quarry. They also harvest dolomite, strontium, and gypsum. It's very big.
Very big. And some other crystal minerals that we don't remember the names of or know how to pronounce.
It was crystal meth.
Not crystal meth.
No?
No.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining us today for this relaxing ride on the back roads and learning about the mining activity near Carey. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Did you know that they have all these different mining activities in Ohio? Be sure to join us in the next video, because we did not realize that we were picking up something that I am sure everybody, at least in North America, has used. So come back for the next video. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you want to know when we upload. And with that, we wish you a great day with love from Kevin and Tanya and the girls. Bye.